Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese Danish. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, about 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 egg. Make sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature. This will make it much easier to mix. Also, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready when we are. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy filling. In a medium bowl, combine the softened 8 ounces of cream cheese with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir until it's smooth and well combined. For an extra touch of flavor, you can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, unroll your puff pastry sheet and cut it into 9 equal 3-inch by 3-inch squares. With your pastry squares ready, it's time to assemble. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of the cream cheese filling onto the center of each puff pastry square. Then, gently fold 2 opposite corners of the pastry towards the center, overlapping them slightly to create a small border. Place your assembled danishes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once your danishes are out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack. While they are cooling, you can prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 1/2 cup of powdered sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Drizzle this sweet glaze over your cooled cheese danishes for that perfect finish. They're best enjoyed fresh. For more great reads and other deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your homemade Starbucks-style cheese Danish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.